We are in the opposition now. We are fighting your cause. We're fighting the right cause, and we're questioning the government on every front. When they actually commit any harakiri, we are there to question them. When they're not delivering on their promises, of course we question them. So my humble request to you, in a democracy, एक सीट से तो गवर्नमेंट को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना है. एक सीट अगर हारेंगे गवर्नमेंट, उनको कोई नहीं फर्क पड़ता, उनकी गवर्नमेंट कल तो नहीं गिर जाएगी. पर अगर एक सीट हमको देंगे, at least you will be strengthening the voice of the opposition in terms of questioning them, challenging them, asking the right kind of questions, getting things done. Because otherwise, unbridled power, it can be a very heady thing, and it can let a government do, and it can let a government, get away with murder as well. That sort of a thing. So my humble appeal to you, as a party, we have been committed to the cause. As a party, we have been committed to the growth of Hyderabad. We did our best. And of course, with all your blessings, we'll bounce back in a span of another 500 days. But till such time, we are here in the midst of a by-election. And I urge all of you, please, to show up on 11th. Vote for us. Vote for a party that has been progressive. Vote for a party that stands as an epitome, as a synonym of Hyderabad's growth story. And a party that has its heart in the right place. A leader who has led the movement for statehood. A leader who is actually instrumental in driving the growth of Telangana for 10 years, Mr. KCR. He is going to bounce back with all of your blessings. And I hope you show up and vote. I have one request to the President and Secretary. Normally, none of you guys, the professionals at least, who have to go and work. I'm sure somebody has to perform a surgery, somebody has to go and attend to an important meeting, etc., etc. So you don't really have the time to show up at a polling booth and vote. My humble request, Secretary and President, maybe you can plan this, because I'm sure you have a WhatsApp group for your society. And I'm sure you celebrate Ganesh, you celebrate all the festivals, and you do it with a lot of enthusiasm as well. My humble request, how many residents altogether? 505 flats and 2,000 residents, out of which I'm guessing about 1,500 voters, maybe, right? 1,500 plus voters. Maybe put a condition that you will have to show your inked finger, along with your face, of course, and post a picture in the WhatsApp group. If you don't do that, you don't have the right to question in the next general body meeting. Simple. If you don't do that, if you don't participate in voting, if you don't actually show your inked finger and post a picture, maybe then you don't have the right, because in a democracy, if you don't participate in the process, you don't have a right to question. So my humble request, most of you didn't clap for this, so I'm guessing most of you are not going to vote. अरे यार, एक दिन के लिए, एक घंटे के लिए बाहर निकलो, टाइम लो, एक दिन की तो बाहर निकलो, एक दिन थोड़ा तकलीफ उठाओ. अगर आप लोग वोट नहीं करेंगे, अब कांग्रेस क्या कर रही है मालूम आपको? 2 साल तो कुछ नहीं करे यहाँ पे. अब क्या कर रहे हो लोग? वोट खरीदने के चक्कर में गरीबों के. अगर आप लोग नहीं निकल के वोट करेंगे, गरीबों के वोट अगर खरीद के, वो लोग अगर आके वोट खरीद के जीतेंगे, फिर बोलेंगे कि नहीं हमने अच्छा किया, गवर्नमेंट बहुत अच्छा चला लिया. वो क्या तरीका हुआ डेमोक्रेसी में? मैं बस आपको इतना ही वादा करूंगा, ज्यादा नहीं कहूंगा. जो 3 चीज आपने मेरे सामने यहाँ प्रस्ताव जो रखे, फ्लाईओवर की जो आपने बात की, फ्लाईओवर तो बनवाया टीआरएस ने. व्हेन योर प्रेसिडेंट सेड, आपने देखा होगा, प्रेसिडेंट आपने जो कहा फ्लाईओवर देखा होगा, मैंने देखा नहीं, मैंने बनवाया. आप भूल जा रहे हो, मैंने उसको बनवाया, आप भूल गए. शेखपेट बहुत लॉन्ग पेंडिंग डिमांड थी, इसको हमने बनवाया. तो जो एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मोहब्बत एक बाप को बेटे की तरफ होती है, तो मेरा भी वैसे ही लगाव है उस फ्लाईओवर के साथ. तो अगर उसका कुछ नुकसान ये लोग कर रहे हैं, इफ दे आर डूइंग सम हराकिरी विद इट, आई एम देयर, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टैंड बाय यू, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टैंड विद यू. Make sure government doesn't do anything stupid. Number 1. Number 2, you said a long U-turn, etc., etc. See, unfortunately, that U-turn was introduced by me. I will have to admit, and I'll have to confess. वो मैंने ही किया. वो इसीलिए किया क्योंकि I wanted to create a signal-free city. So we wanted to cut down on traffic signals, and we wanted to make sure that the traffic keeps moving. There is a saying in urban development, because I was Minister of Urban Development for 10 years. हम लोग 2 प्रिंसिपल से चलते थे. KCR, मतलब not KCR, my leader, my father. KCR is keep the city running. Keep the city running. And then there was Rukonayas in the world as well. So I humbly thank all of you for showing up on a Sunday afternoon. I know you have a cricket match to go back and catch up to. So I'll let you go. But lastly, please show up on 11th. हमें दे रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है. आप बड़े अच्छे, मतलब सोच के समझ के, बहुत समझदार आप हो अगर हमको वोट दे रहे हैं. अगर नहीं भी हमें दे रहे हैं, फिर भी वोटिंग पे आओ, वोट तो करो. कम से कम डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस में पार्टिसिपेट करो, और इंश्योर दैट यू शो अप एंड प्लीज वोट. एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट सेक्रेटरी एंड प्रेसिडेंट साहब, inked finger with face. वरना क्या होगा ना, these days all these IT guys are very smart. They can AI generate an image. They are super smart guys. but you should also be able to see through that. So please don't let AI fool you, the AI images fool you. Make sure that their original images, live pictures come to you and you're able to see them and make sure their vote is counted. Yes, sir. Sir, you were saying something. वो थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया सर, वो पुराना हो गया या नया हो गया, तो थोड़ा दोनों के बीच में वो बना नहीं था. नेक्स्ट टाइम. पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मैडम. थैंक यू सो मच. वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू. वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू ऑल ऑफ यू. यस सर.